Hello and welcome back to my channel, Slow Cooking with Evie. Today I'm gonna cook a very simple but delicious dish, which is slow cooked lamb shanks. And because I'm gonna cook just for myself, so I need just one shank. I don't need two of them. But if you're cooking for two people, then you will use obviously two of them. And because I don't want to cook any side dish separately, so I'm gonna cook and serve my lamb with the potatoes. So I will need one lamb shank, one carrot. I'm gonna use 3 potatoes because I'm not gonna eat more than that. Half of onion, 3 cloves of garlic, salt, pepper, mint. Mint is the best spice for the lamb. Bay leaf and a bit of oil. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna saute my lamb shank a bit, so it's gonna be 4 minutes on each side. My slow cooker has a saute mode, but if yours doesn't have, you can do it easily on frying pan. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add a little bit of oil. I use just a normal vegetable oil with no flavor, and I switch on saute mode on my slow cooker to preheat it. So I have one shank now, and I'm gonna put it in preheated slow cooker. I'm gonna saute it each side for 4 minutes. So I browned my lamb, and now I'm gonna get it out of the slow cooker, and I'm gonna put garlic and onion just for 2 minutes to brown as well. Now after 2 minutes are gone, I'm gonna switch off slow cooker, and I will add lamb. Potato and carrots. I will also add salt, some pepper, bay leaf, let's say a couple of them, and mint. And now I just need to add water and it's ready to go. As you can see, I didn't cover lamb completely with water, just the potato. So now I'm gonna switch on low mode, and my dinner will be ready in approximately 7 hours. While slow cooker is cooking, please do not forget to press like button, subscribe if you haven't done so before, and also switch on notifications so you're not gonna miss my next video. I was busy working from home today, and my slow cooker was busy as well. It was cooking dinner for me, and finally it's ready so I can enjoy my slow cooked lamb. Let's have a look. So first of all, let's get pot from the slow cooker. It smells delicious. So first of all, I want to get lamb and remove bone, so I'm not gonna have it on my plate. Oh, meat is very tender. You can actually see how tender is meat on. Let's see if we can remove bone like this. Wow, look at this meat, guys. That looks delicious. So that was easy. So let's put it on the plate. You might think that it's quite a big piece. And guys, yes, I eat a lot. Now I'm just gonna get potatoes and carrots. So I managed to get all the potatoes and carrots safely from the pot. Look at how delicious is this lamb with potatoes and carrots. I'm going to enjoy this lamb and this potato. It smells delicious, guys, honestly. And I will see you in the next video. Meanwhile, please don't forget to press like button, subscribe, and switch on notifications.